मेरे साथ रहो। वी विद मी। वी विद मी। मेरे बारे में सोचो। थिंक अबाउट मी। थिंक अबाउट मी। कभी कभी घर आया करो। ड्रॉप इन होम समटाइम्स। ड्रॉप इन होम समटाइम्स। उसे 1 इंच भी मत हिलने दो। डोंट लेट हिम मूव इवन एन इंच। डोंट लेट हिम मूव इवन एन इंच। कोई है क्या? Is someone there? Is someone there? तुम वहाँ क्यों छिपे हुए हो? Why are you hidden there? Why are you hidden there? क्या तुम्हारे पास पैसे नहीं हैं? Do you not have money? Do you not have money? जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। There is no need to go. There is no need to go. वहाँ देखने को कुछ नहीं है। There is nothing to see. There is nothing to see. टेबल पर पेन था। There was a pen on the table. There was a pen on the table. वहाँ कुछ नहीं था। Nothing was there. Nothing was there. Or you can say there was nothing. There was nothing. वह 1 नंबर का बेवकूफ़ है। He is stupid of first order. He is stupid of first order. मेरा ऐसा इरादा नहीं था। Such was not my intention at all. Such was not my intention at all. उस शहर में एक पार्क था। There was a park in that city. There was a park in that city. कान खोलकर सुन लो। You better listen up. You better listen up. तुम्हें अपने काम में व्यस्त रहना चाहिए। You must be busy in your work. You must be busy in your work. बहुत सहा बस अब नहीं। Suffered a lot but not anymore. Suffered a lot but not anymore. तुम बहुत जिद्दी हो गए हो। You have become very obstinate. You have become very obstinate. भाड़ में जाओ। Go to hell. Go to hell. आपसे बात करके बहुत अच्छा लगा। It was pleasure talking to you. It was pleasure talking to you. मैं जिम्मेदारियों से कभी जी नहीं चुराता। I never shirk the responsibilities. I never shirk the responsibilities. मैं काम से भाग नहीं रहा हूँ। I am not shirking the work. I am not shirking the work. मैं इसका आदी नहीं होना। I don't want to be addicted to it. I don't want to be addicted to it. वो सिगरेट पीने का आदी हो गया है। He is addicted to smoking. He is addicted to smoking. तुम ऐसे क्यों हो? Why are you so? Why are you so? मैं तुम्हारा कौन हूँ? Who am I to you? Who am I to you? क्या उसे भेजा गया? Was he sent? Was he sent? चाय हर सुबह पी जाती है. Tea is taken every morning. Tea is taken every morning. वहाँ कितने लोग हैं? How many people are there? How many people are there? मैं ठीक तुम्हारे सामने खड़ा था. I was standing just in front of you. I was standing just in front of you. तुम किस बात के लिए दुखी हो? What are you sad for? What are you sad for? समय क्या हुआ है? What is the time? What is the time? पैसे किसके पास नहीं हैं? Who doesn't have money? Who doesn't have money? तुम्हारे पीछे कौन है? Who is there behind you? Who is there behind you? रिश्ते खूबसूरत होते हैं. Relations are beautiful. Relations are beautiful. किस शहर में हो तुम इस वक्त? Which city are you in right now? Which city are you in right now? वो तुम्हारे लिए रुका हुआ है. He is waiting for you. He is waiting for you. मैं तुम्हारे सपनों में खोया हुआ हूँ. I am lost in your dreams. I am lost in your dreams. उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया. They were treated badly. They were treated badly.